Ladies and gentlemen, Barry C here with another cryptocurrency video, and I want to talk to you about XRP. I want to talk to you about the Ethereum ETFs. We are less than a day away from the Ethereum ETFs going live, and it's going to get wild. We're going to see institutional money come flooding into the Ethereum ETF, and we're going to see the rest of the market start responding. And it's absolutely a possibility that XRP will start skyrocketing, along with 93% of the rest of the crypto market will start skyrocketing because of the Ethereum ETFs going live. Now, ladies and gents, I want you to think back to the Bitcoin ETFs. Back in 2023, so around November, I was having these discussions in spaces, and a lot of people around crypto Twitter were absolutely sidelining themselves, suggesting that the Bitcoin ETFs were going to be a massive failure. And for those of you who understood crypto, for someone like myself, I've been in crypto since 2016, and the prospect of giving institutions a direct pathway and direct access to Bitcoin as an investable asset, that is too good an opportunity for them to pass up. So when the Bitcoin ETFs went live, naturally we saw explosive price action. And it's the type of price action that we usually reserve for the height of the bull run. So it's the kind of price action you would have expected maybe in November, December this year. We saw that happen in January heading into February. And not only did Bitcoin hit new all-time highs, but the rest of the market followed. And we saw some impressive price action across a variety of cryptos. And the exact same thing's going to happen again. We've got the Ethereum ETFs going live, and absolutely institutions are going to want to accumulate the number 2 crypto in the world. And it's really curious because this ETF is going live right when the bull run will start kicking in, and that is August onwards. And this is not financial advice, of course, but if we see that much institutional money come flooding in and the bull run starts kicking in, that could be a really exciting catalyst to see explosive price movement a lot sooner than November, December. And it may become a situation where we'll see XRP start skyrocketing to the point where it may be too expensive to buy XRP in 2024. Now, when I say too expensive, everyone has their idea of an entry point, and everyone has their own idea of what becomes too expensive. Now, I would argue, and I would also suggest that maybe you ask yourself this question: would you rather buy XRP for under 60 cents, or would you rather pay $1 or $3 or $10 or even $15? It's going to get to a point where you can't really accumulate the same amount of XRP cheaply. You're going to have to spend a lot more money to accumulate the exact same amount of XRP that you could get today. And ladies and gents, this is why I've been making a lot of content lately about having a plan, because you don't want to sideline yourself and wait for these ETFs to kick in, and suddenly you have this institutional money flowing into Ethereum and everything starts skyrocketing. Especially when you combine that with this bull run, people haven't really factored in yet how crazy things are going to get. Because just the typical bull run, take the ETFs out of the equation, the bull run is going to be explosive. We're going to see prices that make no sense. Now, if you combine institutional money flowing into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and if we get an XRP ETF at the start of next year, all bets are off. We are going to see incredibly amazing and crazy prices. Once again, have a plan, whether it's short-term, mid-term, long-term. And we can still make decisions right now before this Ethereum ETF goes live with accumulating some cheap XRP. Personally, I believe that during this bull run and after this bull run, we're not going to have access to cheap XRP anymore. And what I mean by that is, sure, we may see XRP go to $15, maybe even $20 this bull run, and it may dip back down to $9 or $10. But it's certainly not a 50 cent or 60 cent entry point. We've had 3.5 years between the last bull run and this bull run to accumulate XRP below $1. And those days are dwindling fast. The new cheap XRP is going to be $5, $10, $20. Eventually, the new cheap XRP will be $100. And the catalyst to all this is the combination of the explosive volatility that we see during the upcoming bull run, as well as institutional money having a pathway to directly access digital assets via these ETFs. Now, ladies and gents, this is the reason why I say with the Ethereum ETF, which once again, people said, oh, we may never see an Ethereum ETF. It's more than likely not going to get approved. We are 24 hours or even less than 24 hours away of seeing this go live. We are seeing it happen. And this is why you can't be sidelining yourself. You can't make the assumption that you'll always have access to cheap XRP, because we see events like this unfold. And suddenly the baseline entry point to XRP is 10x or even 100x from where it is now. So be prepared, have a plan. And if you've been holding XRP for quite some time and you see this explosive price action happen, you could be in an amazing position to take some profits. Now, of course, ladies and gents, none of this is financial advice. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And if you're curious about the other cryptos I've been accumulating to take full advantage of this bull run, consider becoming a patron. Click the link in the description below, head across to my Patreon page, and consider becoming a Barry C VIP. There you'll have access to my portfolios, as well as my buy, sell, and take profit signals in real time.